Hello friends, let us learn some MCQ type questions of the chapter matrices. Now this first MCQ, the adjoint matrix of this matrix 3 minus 3 4 2 minus 3 4 0 minus 1 1 is, and the alternatives are given. Now we have to choose the correct alternative. Now how to find adjoint of this matrix? Now to find adjoint of this matrix, we have learned what is adjoint of a matrix. For that purpose we find minors and cofactors its cofactor matrix. After that, transpose of the cofactor matrix is nothing but adjoint of the given matrix. But that process is a process or method is very lengthy. That process is very time consuming. So in order to find solutions of the MCQ type questions, we should know some shortcut methods. Now let us learn how to find adjoint of this matrix by a shortcut method. Now write down this matrix. First row 3 minus 3 4, 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4. After that 0 minus 1 1, 0 minus 1 1. Now these are the rows of the given matrix. Now after that, I write down this first row 3 minus 3 4, 3 minus 3 4. Again this second row 2 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4. After that write down this first column 3 2 0, 3 2 0 here, 3 2, 3 2. Again write down the second column minus 3 minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. After that minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 minus 3. And now we have such type of numbers here. Now from this we have to skip first row and first column. This first row and first column. Now we have this 1 2 3 4 columns. Now from these 4 columns we have to find, or we will get the adjoint matrix. Now how we get adjoint of this matrix? This minus 3 into 1, it is minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. After that minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, and this minus plus 4 which is equal to minus 3 plus 4 which is equal to 1. So after that now minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, and this minus plus 3 which is equal to minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Again minus 3 into 4 minus 12, minus 3 into 4 minus 12, and this minus plus 12 which is equal to 0. Now this 1 minus 1 0 will be our first row of the adjoint matrix. 1 minus 1 0. Now we are getting adjoint matrix, and of which first row is 1 minus 1 0. Now check the alternatives. This A, B, C, and this is D. Now in alternative B or option B we have first row 1 minus 1 0. So 1 minus 1 0. Now we don't have 1 minus 1 0 of the first row of any other options, any other alternatives. Therefore no need to find the remaining 2 rows, that is, and this will be our answer. So its answer is B, this answer. And we write how we write its answer now. So its answer is, now how to write its answer? This is first answer is B. So write down like this: B 1 -1 0, -2 3, -2 3, -4, -2, -3, -3. So this will be answer of our first. Now second, A is equal to this matrix cos of alpha minus sin of alpha 0, sin of alpha cos of alpha 0, 0 0 1. Then A inverse is such type of matrix is given, and then A inverse is alternatives are given in A, B minus A, C adjoint of A, and D minus adjoint of A. Now A inverse. How we find A inverse? We find A inverse by elementary transformation and by adjoint method. In elementary transformation, this A minus A, adjoint of A minus adjoint of A are not there. So in adjoint method, we have there adjoint of A minus adjoint of A, whatever it. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So for that purpose we will what we get. So first, for that purpose we have to find out here determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to how to find determinant of A. So cos of alpha. Now this is cos of alpha. Cos of alpha into in bracket cos of alpha into 1 cos of alpha minus 0. After that sign here minus sign of alpha, that is minus plus sign of alpha into in bracket a sign of alpha into 1 sign of alpha minus 0 into 0 0 plus, now this 0 0 into anything will be 0, therefore we will get this term 0 is equal to, now this cos of alpha minus 0 is cos of alpha, and cos of alpha into cos of alpha is equal to cos square of alpha. After that sin of alpha minus 0 is sin of alpha, and sin of alpha into sin of alpha is equal to sin square of alpha, which is equal to cos square of alpha plus sin square of alpha is equal to 1. Now we are getting determinant of A is equal to 1. Now we have this A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So if we put here determinant of A is equal to 1, we get adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. 1 upon determinant of A is 1. Adjoint of A naught. A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1 into adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon 1 is 1 into adjoint of A. That is A inverse is equal to adjoint of A. So this option, this alternative is correct. Its answer is C. And how we write its answer? Second, C adjoint of A. So we have to solve MCQ type questions using some shortcut methods. Thank you.